What's up guys, it's Landon here with Trask Performance. We're here in the dyno and I'll walk you through how to install a ThunderMax map into your ThunderMax. First things first, we're going to hook our cord up to our ThunderMax and we're going to turn the ignition on. You'll see the key on detected pop up and it will go through a couple different bars. Just let it load. All right, so you may be prompted for registering your module. You can go ahead and do that at this time. So if you're emailed a file, we need to make sure that we download the file out of the email first, or it may get corrupted. So once you download that out, you'll go to File and Open, and you will select the map that you want to pull up. Double check that the title on the top of the screen shows the same title as what you clicked on. The forward-facing map that is up in front of the screen is the one that will be installed in the map. So the biggest thing with a turbo bike is to make sure that the 2-bar map sensor is turned on. So that will be under Configure and Module Settings and Supercharger. Make sure this box right here is checked. It will light up the 2-bar default button. We do run a 2-bar map sensor on our turbo kits. And just hit OK. If you got the map directly from us, all the parameters for the map sensors to work and all of the boost parameters will already be set up for you. So as soon as you get that setting turned on, it'll be ready to go. Now what we'll do, as long as your correct map's pulled up, the 2-bar map sensor is turned on, we're going to go to File and Right Module Maps and Settings. You may get, they do have a map identifier built into the ThunderMax. It may check to make sure that you're downloading the correct map into the module. Just hit OK. You will write the maps and destroy everything else. Do you want to continue? Yes. And this is an auto compression release setup. Most bikes 2012 and newer do have compression releases. Make that decision on your own. You know, if you have an older 96-inch bike, something like that, they didn't come with compression releases. This particular bike does. Hit OK. And now it will load your map into it. You'll wait for the bars to go across the screen and we'll tell you when it's done. Once it is finished, you will get this successfully written. Hit OK. And now you shut the key off, unhook it, and go ride your bike and have fun.